Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noshahidatun Nadia binti Mohd Jusoh, and today I will present for my final year project, which is comparison of LARVAE growth performance between giant clams, TRIDACNA, SQUAMOSA, and TRIDACNA MAXIMA. For the background of study, giant clams are mostly found in Indo-Pacific coral reef, where it's shallow and well lit, as they engage a mutualistic symbiotic with dinoflagellate, resulting colorful mantle on it. Giant clams are simultaneous hermaphrodite, where they completely ejaculate sperm first and then releasing egg during the spawning period. In a primitive method, multiple adults are allowed to release sperm and egg at the same time, resulting self-fertilization. This self-fertilization can cause deleterious effects on the larvae development, such as low survival, growth, and also the fecundity, considering this primitive way is harmful for this culture. For the problem statement, Oliver et al. 2011 state that giant clams are the most best-selling invertebrate, resulting in overexploitation and locally extinct in several Asian and Micronesian countries. So, in the IUCN list, giant clam listed as lower risk species, but dependent conservation effort. So, natural requirement of giant clam is downward due to the low survival rate in the wild, inbreeding depression, habitat destruction, illegal harvesting, and also climate change. Despite of numerous strategies that had designed to cover back the giant clam population in the worldwide, it seemed that those efforts are not enough to restore the previous nature condition. For the significance of study, initial interest of culturing giant clam is due to the concern related to declining of the wild stock. As the largest bivalve, giant clam act as nursery and also substrate for smaller benthic organisms. Giant clams are grown intent to residing the wild stock and also specially cultured for the aquarium trade. This finding can help aquaculturists to breed giant clams in captivity without resourcing them from the wild, thus will ensure the sustainability of the industry and protect them from continuous harvesting. This study was carried out to determine the larvae growth performance, which is shell growth rate, as well as reproductive performance, which is fertilization and hatching rate of TRIDACNA SQUAMOSA and TRIDACNA MAXIMA through intraspecific hybridization. For the Matric method, the broodstock was obtained from Bidung Island. For the induced spawning, serotonin solution were injected in a mantle tissue. For the T. squamosa, 2 ml of serotonin were injected, and while for T. maxima, 1 ml of serotonin were used. After injection, the result for spawning activity were recorded. After spawning, the egg and sperm were collected into a different bucket from the intraspecific hybridization. After ejaculation of the sperm, the giant clam will transfer into the other spawning tank for the egg collection. The ratio for the egg and sperm used is 1/50, suggested by Neo et al. 2011, and then the egg and sperm will mix according to this arrangement. Some data will be collected for data analysis such as shell growth rate, hatching rate, and fertilization rate. And for the feeding, isocracy species and nanochlorosis species were cultured to be fed for the broodstock and the larvae. As for the result, fertilization success was a little bit higher for T. maxima with mean fertilization 87.75, while for T. squamosa is 85.51. Despite of this difference in fertilization success, there were no significant difference except for P equal to 0.05 between these graphs. Meanwhile, for the hatching rate, T. squamosa had higher percentage within 92.98, while T. maxima has 88.89% with no significant difference. Consider that T. squamosa has lower density from initial egg in the culture. For the shell growth rate, during the 6 day of culture period, there are no significant difference either in the shell height and also shell length. The mean shell growth rate of T. squamosa and T. maxima are 29.49 and 30.18 for height. Meanwhile, for the shell length, there are 54.0 and 52.58 from the original day 1. Judging from this experimental result, the shell growth between these two species did not give the significant difference. From previous culture method in 1993 by Murakami, the experimenter verified that development of the egg to the D-shaped larvae was normal. This is some sign of infection and mortality on the egg and larvae during this experiment, which is polysperm, the internal granula burst out, dead antivelager, and also larvae development showing growth defect. For the conclusion, Although there are no significant difference for shell group, the development of larvae consists normal regarding to the culture system that had done by Jody and Rama in 2017. Future research aims for understanding and improving fertilization success and also larvae performance to alleviate the commercial risk in culturing this species, and also can be done on hybrid giant clam to produce fast-growing species. This is the reference that I use. That's all for me. Thank you.